Well, hello there, everybody. It's been a minute. Let's start another adventure. I'm gonna take the 9er out, but before we go, cold start. I'm 3K in and 42 minutes, and that is including the crash course I gave to the 2 girls in the parking lot on how to use their bear spray. You know, might have just saved a life. I mean, you don't know, I don't know, but could have. You know, if they're in a situation where they need that bear spray and now they know how to use it. You know, it just makes me feel good inside, being a hero. Okay, we did it. We made it. I booked in at 3 hours, 30 minutes, 12.46K according to my GPS. And I don't know. You guys tell me. Is it worth it? Oh yeah. Look at it.
Almost don't remember how it feels when you lay down in an open field, when you saw my dreams are turning real, so unreal. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do.
Behind me is the conquered Landslide Lake. Took me a minute. But ahead of me, finally getting up the snow. Apparently just over this bank of rocky, crazy. The trail got significantly harder from Landslide to Berg. But apparently we are extremely close.
Worries, only plans to make everybody the dance, 'cause we can. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we'd be wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Oh, 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 do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is